Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for all the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into one of the best Garmin replacement parts available, the Garmin Accessories GPS Bracket Cradle Mount. If you've been looking for a reliable and affordable replacement mount for your Garmin Nuvi, this product is an excellent option that promises to meet all your needs. This GPS bracket cradle mount is designed specifically for Garmin Nuvi GPS models, including the 42LM, 44, 52LM, 54, 55LMT, 56, 58, and many more. It's built with a 17mm ball socket, offering easy installation and a secure fit. The mount is highly portable, making it easy to take with you wherever you go, and it ensures a stable and convenient viewing experience while driving. One of the key features of this mount is its compatibility with a variety of Garmin Nuvi models. Whether you're using a Nuvi 2407, 2447, 2467, or any other compatible model, this cradle will keep your GPS securely in place. It's designed for easy attachment, whether you're using the suction cup holder, the friction mount, or the adhesive dashboard mount. This versatility makes it a great choice for different vehicle setups. Another great thing about this mount is its durability. Made from high-quality materials, it's built to last, and you'll appreciate the sturdy design that keeps your Garmin device in place, no matter how bumpy the ride. Plus, with a lightweight structure, it won't add unnecessary bulk to your dashboard or windshield. In terms of ease of use, the installation process couldn't be simpler. Just attach your Garmin Nuvi to the mount, and you're good to go. The suction cup ensures that it sticks securely to your windshield or dashboard, while the adjustable cradle gives you the flexibility to adjust the angle for optimal visibility. Whether you're replacing a broken mount or simply looking for a spare, this Garmin Accessories GPS Bracket Cradle Mount offers an affordable and reliable solution. And the best part? You get two mounts in one pack, so you'll always have an extra one on hand. If you're tired of flimsy mounts that don't stay in place or break easily, this is a great option for you. It's affordable, easy to install, and designed to provide a long-lasting solution for keeping your Garmin Nuvi GPS secure while driving. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. Stay tuned for more, and we'll see you in the next video.